that time. That told me that things get slower when you are getting older. Position is, I was born in British India, and why I say British India, because the current Indian country was not till 1947, and I was born, as someone told, that I started the Second World War, because I was born in 1939. After getting my master's degree in chemistry and working as an analytical chemist, wanted to do further studies, for which I came and finished. But in my blood, it was to gain the independence from the British. Therefore, my blood always have been from my forefathers into politics. But politics of reconciliation and education rather than the agitation. If you see the Indian, political movement, Jinnah, who led the Pakistan, never went to jail, never broken any law, never done anything. And that was the Muslim League motto with which my forefathers and my father was involved. Although the government servants were not allowed in British India to be taking political part. But it was so enthusiasm, we used to see going there. When I came to this country, although I was in an environment although I've been educated from age of 6 in English language because we were ruled by the British, and books were published by the Prime Minister Macmillan's parent company in India and others one. But it was completely different to one. I was involved into the community work as such. I lived in 5 boroughs of London, Islington, Haringey, the Red Bridge, which used to be Essex, and Newham, and now in Hackney. But I always consider my next door neighbor are my community, not on the basis that I'm Asian, Muslim or something, or Pakistani, but where I live, that's my community. And that's what, as Siraj just said, that I got involved into. Education is my passion. I always have been considered that if we need the future, our future to be good, we have a better education for his or her, so that it pass it on to the next generation, and we have a continuation of the betterment of our civilization and culture. Therefore, I become involved in tenant association, housing, but mainly in education. At present, you won't believe, with my 2 dodgy legs, I'm member of 5 governing bodies in Hackney. One is very next door to you, Mandeville. As it's in federation, I am involved as far as Woodbury Down, which is those who live in London know, and as far as on the other side, Purvis and Whitmore, which are nearer to the King's Landing and others. Because that's how you pass it on. If you do not put in something in it, you can't get anything out of it. Therefore, my idea is to get involved. Actually, for the last, and now come the politics, as the present government has changed the law, especially regarding the benefits and social housing and others. My ward, where Siraj lives, starts from down this slightly further, Dunledge Road, up to the Lea Bridge Road, and all marshes, if you have seen them, which is the biggest open land in whole of Europe and can be seen from the space also. I'm delivering letter by hand because my other colleague had a bereavement and others cannot be involved, and take my duties seriously. Because I live in my own ward, not only I represent politically, but also its, improvement, benefits and others affect me also personally. I'm a council tenant myself. Clapton Park, which is run by the tenants, I'm its board member. Therefore, the more improvement is there, the better quality of life I also have as a tenant. Therefore, my involvement always have been that if I do anything good, that will not only benefit others, but I will be getting its reward both here, and as a Muslim, I believe hereafter also. Therefore, that's a little one, but if you ask question, then I'll tell, anything which you want to know.
But as a politician, you have chosen to stay within the community.
Yes, yes.
And that is a big decision.
Yes, I mean, as I mentioned, there used to be the world's biggest local authority in this country known as Greater London Council, GLC, up to 1985, which Mrs. Thatcher, who just died recently, abolished because of her dislike and the foolishness of some, to certain extent, of Ken Livingstone also, to show Mrs. Thatcher certain things which she shouldn't have done. When it was abolished, I tried to save it. It's one of the education committee, ILA, Inner London Education Authority. Its budget at that time was £1.5 billion for 10 London boroughs. It has the highest quality of teaching and sports provision to 10 inner London like Hackney, Haringey and Wandsworth, Islington, Camden and others boroughs of London. Therefore, when it was abolished, as the education came to Hackney, I became member of the London Borough of Hackney, and since then, it's my 6th term. That means next year, I will be completing 24 years as a councillor this one. And most of the time, one single committee I have not left is the education. Education committees and others, now it's called Children and Young People Scrutiny Commission, because the government have changed the law. I served on it. I chair for the last 16 years what is called SACRE, Standing Advisory Council on Religious Education, so that we live in harmony. We do not, I am Muslim, but I do not sit there as a Muslim. And if you are a member of any church or non-church one, we teach the children to live in harmony. We teach about religion and from religion, which helps them also to have literacy and numeracy better in the school age one. Therefore, all our contribution is to live in community cohesion, harmony and others one. And I have done what very rarely, I don't think anyone had. I was deputy mayor in 1994, 95, become mayor 95, 96, and within 4 years again, 2001 to 2002, which is a local government record of being first person of this borough 3 times within 5 years. And I live in my ward, I've worked with them, I help them, they help me.
You were a councillor when our estate changed with the 4 towers being knocked down.
Yes, actually, that's also a record. I have blown, not physically, but pressed the plunger of 8 tower blocks. And there is an organization called here which published a book called Guinness Book of Records. Anything happen in any world, for example, if you run a mile, to save time and money, in a system that they used to bring the whole blocks and join together. And this, at that time, the heating was done by the hot air. There is a big, near your house, big what you call it, boiler house.
Yeah.
Next to the housing office one.
Yeah.
And it used to produce hot air to be sent to all those tower blocks. 4 were in Mandeville Street. But by and by, the efficiency gone so down that the heating was not enough, as well as the material used in aluminium and others started corroding. They become slightly, on the health and safety grounds, not safe one. The other thing was people were not happy at that time to live in high-rise flats. Therefore, in mid-90s, about 94, 95, Hackney Council decided, in Newham, there was a Roland Point high-rise one. Someone tried to light their cooker, gas cooker. Unfortunately, there was a leak of the gas one, and as the gas exploded, the whole 19 floors side completely came off. But it became unsafe to have gas. The law changed that in high rise above I think 5 or 4, you know, floors, there will be no gas supply into the high rise one, which made life also difficult because electricity in this country, unfortunately, as compared to the gas, although we always had the North Sea gas and others at that time, expensive, it becomes quite uneconomical. Therefore, quite many people refused in tower block. We decided to demolish. Then I blown, I think, 2 here in Mandeville Street, 2 in the Vic ward, which is near that way, 2 in Holly Street, and 2 at New Kingsland, Kingshold, sorry. Therefore, that's a record of blowing, but it used to be done. And the beauty of those blowing was that when the block went down, less than 15 or 20 yards is the nursery if you show them the cow bridge on the end of the Dobney Road.
Yeah, we'll walk there.
Yes. That, not a single glass pan of that nursery was broken. The whole tower block came on its base one. It was less than 5 or 6 yards, the debris was there, high, but on the top one. Because there was a mishap in Vic one when it was used less one, it went halfway and stopped. Used to be known as Hanging Tower of Hackney for a few months because it did not blow totally. Then the company from Glasgow invented some system to blow it.
And was everyone from those tower blocks where they rehearsed within the community?
Yes, most,
how many
because they had a free choice. Certain people wanted to move into the others. Before the abolition of GLC, if you are living in Hackney, but your family cousin or your daughter got married and lives in Camden, and at my age, I could not be looked after. I'd want to be nearer to my daughter. If I apply, I could be moved from here to Camden in the same, because the landlord of the properties was the same. Once the abolition of GLC and properties were passed on, like Kingsmead was passed on to Hackney. Camden has its own, all those property which was GLC one to that one. Therefore, it becomes very difficult for people moving from one borough to the other until unless you agreed in Camden to come to Hackney and I go to Camden, or vice versa. You come to go to Camden and I come to Hackney. Therefore, all those things have taken into care certain people. Most of them, one of the worst thing which I suffer and have been fighting and have not been very successful is the transport public. It's a single bus. Earlier there were 2, now it's reduced. Since it's privatized, the company looks for the profit. It's only bus service. Quite many people moved from here to Lower Clapton or Stoke Newington and other where there are more transport system. And as it was between Hackney councils, at that time there were quite large property, because at that time less properties were sold under the right to buy one. Therefore all those have been. But quite a large number of them are in far better, because although they love the land at that time, Tory party won't allow us, Hackney, to build the houses. They are housing association. If you see all Mandeville, one, they are
by the river.
They are all by the housing association property. The difference between your tenancy and someone else one is that you are a secure tenant, and those are with the housing association are not secure one.
They have a limited period, like 5 years,
Yes.